One setting ruins every AI response you're getting. Most people just copy-paste their prompt and hit send, never touching the temperature setting. But that single number, usually between 0 and 2, is literally deciding how creative, how random, or how robotic your AI sounds. It's probably the most powerful setting nobody talks about. Temperature controls how the model picks its next word. At every step, the AI is looking at a probability distribution, a ranked list of possible words, and temperature decides how strictly it follows that ranking. Low temperature means it almost always picks the most likely word. High temperature means it starts gambling on the weird, unexpected ones. Set temperature to 0 and the model locks in. Same prompt, same output, every single time. It's basically deterministic. That's perfect for coding, data extraction, or anything where accuracy matters more than creativity. You want consistency? 0 is your answer. Crank it to 1.5 or above, and things get strange fast. The model starts pulling from low-probability words it would normally ignore, which can feel brilliant or completely unhinged depending on your luck. Think of it like turning up the chaos dial on a very smart machine. Sometimes genius, sometimes word salad. But here's where it gets wild. Temperature doesn't make the model smarter or dumber. It just changes how adventurous it is with the vocabulary it already has. A bad model at high temperature is still a bad model, just a more unpredictable one. People confuse randomness with intelligence all the time. The sweet spot most professionals land on is somewhere between 0.7 and 1.0. That range gives you fluent, natural-sounding text without going off the rails. OpenAI actually defaults GPT-4 to 1.0. They've tested this obsessively, and that's where coherence and creativity balance out best. Creative writing? Push to 1.2 or even 1.4. Customer service bots or legal summarization? Drop it to 0.2 or 0.3. One number. Completely different personality. Most people using AI every day don't even know this setting exists in the API. Here's a real comparison. Same prompt asking for a product tagline. Run 10 times at 0.2 versus 10 times at 1.3. At 0.2, you get variations of the same safe, predictable phrase. At 1.3, you get 3 unusable disasters and 2 lines that are genuinely electric. The math starts making sense when you experiment yourself. Temperature also interacts with another setting called top P, and when people mess with both at once, things get chaotic fast. Most experts recommend keeping top P at 1 and only adjusting temperature, not both simultaneously. Mixing them is like adjusting the steering wheel and the brakes at the same time. Pick one. But here's what nobody explains. Why does temperature even work this way mathematically? The model divides all word probabilities by the temperature value before sampling. Low temperature sharpens the distribution, making frontrunners dominate even harder. High temperature flattens it, giving outsider words a real fighting chance. It's literally thermodynamics borrowed from physics. This comes from something called the Boltzmann distribution in statistical mechanics, the same math used to model how gas particles behave at different heat levels. Hot gas means particles move unpredictably. Cold gas means they settle into predictable patterns. Your AI is doing the exact same thing with language. Wild, right? Here's what you're probably doing wrong right now. Using the default temperature for every single task. Default is a compromise setting, not an optimized one. You wouldn't use the same knife for surgery and steak. Stop treating temperature like a one-size-fits-all knob. 3 things to lock in. Temperature 0 for precision tasks, 0.7 to 1.0 for balanced everyday use, and 1.2 plus only when you need creative risk-taking with a backup plan. What's the one task you use AI for most? And have you ever actually tried changing the temperature on it?